Good evening everyone, I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about anticipated iPhone 16 features and Apple's strategy. OpenAI addresses ChatGPT plus chatbots performance concerns. Google's Project Almond aims for comprehensive user life view. Apple blocks Beeper Mini disabling iMessage on Android and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Apple is rumored to introduce exclusive AI features in the upcoming iPhone 16 series expected to launch around September 2024. Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo reveals plans to upgrade microphones in the iPhone 16, enhancing voice calls, improving audio quality for videos, and boosting series performance. The new AI chipset, possibly the A17 Pro Bionic chip, aligns with industry demands, promising advanced capabilities. Apple aims to leverage production support from India, reducing dependence on China for manufacturing. While anticipating enhanced features, users may see a potential price increase in the iPhone 16 series. Next, we have OpenAI acknowledges concerns about ChatGPT plus chatbots performance degradation since 11th November. Users report the chatbot becoming lazier and exhibiting unpredictable behavior, prompting OpenAI to investigate and address the issue. OpenAI users may need to be more specific with prompts, and the company is committed to fixing the problem without providing a set deadline. OpenAI observes competitors' releases such as Google's Gemini 1.0 family while working on an updated model. Google is developing Project Almond, utilizing AI technology aiming to offer a detailed view of users' lives through phone data, photos, and searches. Large language models like the Gemini model will analyze search results, identify patterns in photos, and potentially create a chatbot. Google Photos, with over 1 billion users and 4 trillion photos, will play a key role in providing contextual information about users' lives. The project represents an early internal exploration into leveraging AI for a holistic understanding of user experiences. Xiaomi sub-brand Redmi introduces smartphones from the Redmi lineup as Poco phones in India. The Redmi 13C 5G may be rebranded as the Poco M6 5G, featuring a slightly modified back panel design and memory configuration. Key specifications of the Redmi 13C 5G include the Dimensity 6100 plus SoC, Android 13 based MIUI 14, a 6.74-inch HD plus 90Hz LCD, and a 5000 mAh battery. The Poco M6 5G is expected to offer similar features with exclusivity on Flipkart. Apple disables Beeper Mini and iMessage app for Android, which allowed users to experience iMessage features, including the distinctive blue bubble. The app required a subscription but is no longer compatible with iMessages, addressing potential security and privacy risk. Beeper exploited a loophole in Apple's iMessage, connecting with Apple's notification service, enabling iMessage delivery on Android devices. Next up, we have WhatsApp introduces the View Once feature, allowing users to send voice messages that automatically delete after 14 days. Messages are marked with a green One logo, indicating self-destruction and cannot be forwarded by the sender. Users can preview but not listen to the message after sending, and the feature enhances privacy with the ability to report issues. At last, Vivo announces the launch of two new devices, the Vivo X100 and Vivo X100 Pro, scheduled for 14 December 2023. These devices will run on Android 14 based Origin OS 4, powered by the new MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. Co-engineered with Zeiss, the devices feature a triple rear camera setup with a focus on high quality photography. The devices offer a 6.78-inch AMOLED 8P LTPO curved display, up to 16 GB RAM, and around 1 TB of UFS 4.0 inbuilt storage. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news. हेलो दोस्तों, क्या आपने अपने डिवाइस में कभी DCIM नाम का फोल्डर देखा है और सोचा है ये क्या होता है? DCIM का फुल फॉर्म है डिजिटल कैमरा इमेजेस। ये एक स्टैंडर्ड फोल्डर स्ट्रक्चर है जो आपके डिजिटल कैमरा या स्मार्टफोन से ली गई फोटोज और वीडियोस को स्टोर करता है। तो अगली बार जब आप अपनी फाइल्स को ब्राउज करेंगे तो आपको पता होगा DCIM का क्या मतलब होता है। सब्सक्राइब बटन को क्लिक करना मत भूलना फॉर मोर टेक इनसाइट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट शॉट में।